So, hey the guys, Arpa here and welcome to another video. We're going to where, Gosh? We're going to the Unrestricted Empire meet, so yeah. Gosh is depressed, man. He's very depressed, you could see by his face. Because his dad's buying an F-150, he's depressed. He's very depressed, see, look. He's not even smiling, bro. Okay, yeah, so we're going to Unrestricted Empire meet. Yeah! We at the Unrestricted Empire meet, bro.
You struck you right there, right?
Oh, what?
It struck you, but we bought a table from there.
Where?
Struck you. It's right beside Dollarama.
Well, I wish they sponsored us, bro. Blah, 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 blah. Damn, Daniel. Damn. What do you think about it?
That's the worst car I've ever seen in my like.
Damn, Daniel. What do you think of this, Gosh?
First car in the history.
Oh, damn. Sub. Do. Kush, where you at? Kush, where you at, bro? Gosh, remember memories?
Yeah.
Memories. Do you have some words for the spoiler?
Okay, so
Speak louder.
I'm gonna be getting this for my Audi Q7. I'm gonna put it right on top of the trunk. It's like I'm gonna be like right there, and then it's gonna be like bigger, and then we're gonna go to a limbo contest. And it's gonna and then we're just gonna drop it. We're gonna put like 30 or 40 people in there, and it's just gonna like drop there. And then
Why not airlift it?
Well, because that takes too much money, and if we just like get some people, that's just cheaper. And like we're just gonna take all the air out of my tires in the Audi, and it's just gonna be super low.
So you want that spoiler just to go over the limbo contest?
Yep.
What?
That car is so garbage, and it has such a good speaker in it.
Facts.
Those speakers deserve a Honda Civic or my Audi Q7.
Wait, what they deserve?
They deserve the Honda Civic or the Audi Q7.
And Paul vlogs here, bro.
No, it's not. He's lying. He doesn't even know how to vlog.
Vlogs. Okay, hey guys, Amber here. We just left the Unrestricted Empire meet. Yeah, cool guy. There's Baba Mama and there's Kashdeep Gill. Jerry, my Civic no pani panda. He's the guy that put water in my Civic. If you ever find out in the future that he puts water in my gas tank, if you put pani in my Civic, he's the guy, okay? So yeah, we just left. Great meet, great. I'll come next Sunday too. Who knows if Babla Mama's gonna take me or not, so yeah.